Hi guys, cooking Grandad style again. Chicken Tikka Masala with Pilau Rice, a taste of India. This one comes from TESCO's. Okay, let's get the technical stuff. Okay, we're going to cook it in the oven. 190 degrees centigrade, fan 170. 30 minutes. Snap the compartments in half, place the chicken tikka masala on a baking tray in the centre of the preheated oven for 15 minutes. So I better get that started. What should I say? 170. Okay. You can't see what I'm doing. There. On 170. Okay. Interesting, it doesn't say pierce the lid first. So cook it for 15 minutes, then peel back the lid, stir it, recover it, add the rice compartment into the baking tray and heat both for a further 15 minutes. Leave to stand for 2 minutes after heating. I reckon I can do that. Stir well before serving. So, that's the bit we want, and like I said, it doesn't say pierce it first, you put it straight in. Yeah. Okay, we need a tray. There's probably one in there. Baking tray, centre of oven. "15 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 minutes. Okay, we'll come back in 15 minutes time. Right, that's the 15 minutes up. This is the bit that's fun, because you've got to get that cling film off the top, give it a stir, and then put it back on again. Check the instructions again. Right, we've done that. Then add the rice compartment and heat both for another 15 minutes. Like that. Hang on a minute. It did say pierce the lid several times, but it says that right at the top. I'm reading the oven instructions. I thought you had to pierce the lid. Right. Back in there. Another 15 minutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right. Okay. Back in another 15 minutes. Right. Beeping. Should be ready. Turn that off. Turn that off. Right, let's just shift the camera a bit. That is hot, of course. That's even hotter. Okay, and we'll add a bit of mango chutney. And just a thought. We'll have some cashew nuts on there as well. Right, well that's it. I suppose I ought to tidy up a bit for the final shot. So there we are, that's our chicken tikka masala with a cold drink. Now I could tell you that I'd like to put that in bread and butter, but I'll see if I can resist tonight. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.